Hi everybody, it's Dave, Jim, from Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a hydraulically operated syrup reclaimer, what it was originally designed for. Small packets of single-serve syrups we put in here, which were misfilled, poorly packaged, broken. You'll see there's some high-tension steel wires right in here, and they're tightened with these small bolts in place. Jim's going to demonstrate here. The operator would then put the packages in there, come over. There's two palm switches, as you see. He has to strike both palm switches and hold them in place for the cycle. The platen comes down, pushing. You'll see the plastic material push around and through, and then once it finishes, it returns in the up position after a second or two. So the packages would be destroyed as they pass through the wires, and the syrup and the packages would be separated later, probably a drum with a screen on top. Now there's a second wireframe unit right here, Jim's solding. Now these are a different direction, so they obviously don't work for this particular one, but it was mounted underneath here, and you'll see there's a slide fixture in here. Jimmy, you probably put that right back in. That may have been used to capture some of the material that fell out and just prevent some more from flowing down.
Oh, yep, it's not in the other side.
And slid in there, so that would also serve. If you just get a look inside, Cam, you can see while it's in place, it forms a checkerboard. Obviously, because there are grooves cut in the platen, which pushes down, it's meant to only travel with wires, which are front to back of the machine. There's also emergency stop. Jim, show it one more time. And it's operating by the
cheese, blocks of cheese.
You could use almost anything that you could think of that's soft and would press and cut. As you can see, the machine's all stainless steel. It was designed and built by Kraft Foods. It's a specialty item, but there's lots of other things we use for. We're operating on 440 volt, 3-phase, has its own onboard hydraulic system, complete control panel, a short little instructional single sheet, and a schematic diagram.
Emergency stop.
All works well. We have lots of equipment in our stock, and some stuff you won't even believe. So please take a look at our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.